You won't fight with the one.
They chop my food. They get power to tear their head one by one.
Who deserved the marriage?
He sent his words through his chiefs that he was done with the marriage.
A ruthless King Donald continues with his iron-fisted rule. He has everything. Well, almost everything. His anger knows no bounds. But little does he know that his problems, just like his kingship, is inherent.
Papa, they've killed the father of my unborn child, Papa. That bloodsucker has taken the life of my husband, Papa.
Where is everybody?
Happy birthday to you.
I see the sun in the sky, but it's an illusion. I'm feeling so high, and from all the stress and the madness of today.
Have you seen the troubled King 1 and 2? Now, this is drama, suspense, emotional, gripping, and spellbinding. Kenneth Okonkwo is King Donald in The King's Help 1 and 2. Also starring Kenneth Okonkwo, Mercy Johnson, and Patience Ozokwo. Produced by Mirena Isiguzo and directed by Oke Zubelo. The King's Help 1 and 2. Marketed and distributed nationwide by Amazon Production Limited. Shop 81 Zebras Plaza, Alaba International Market, Alaba. 141 Nnamdi Azikiwe Street, Idumota, Lagos. Shop 5 Manly Joe Plaza, Electronics Market, opposite Premier Breweries on Nature.
Bros, calm down. Calm down, bros. Who prepared this rubbish? Oh my God. Where is the cook that prepared this nonsense? You don't know how to apply salt again? You want to give me poison?
Olorogun Amanayabo Oyeze. One flapper for my face.
I cannot condone such rascality. She has to go back to the slum and live out her full life of criminality. Not here. Not in this palace. This palace cannot contain two of us.
This guy. Okay. In my person. Boom. Forget that in my person. As I just show this kappa, me I just see you as though I say me and this guy is a
The King's Help. Who will help this king? Get a copy.
Let the gong of life sound for the initiates. Iya, iya, iya. Let the gong of life sound for the initiates.
ayé. Kàlàmọ̀gbò ní jẹ́bọ̀ sálú ọ̀run. Bí gúnugún bá jẹ́bọ̀ àjọwọ́ gbá. Bá kàlàmọ̀gbò bá jẹ́bọ̀ apáwọ́ sí èjìká. Ẹ gbà ó. Ẹ gbà. Hey!
The tears of Orisha are that of death. Iya, iya, iya.
I never insisted for you to help her get to where she is today years ago for her to end up being my chief maid. For she being your chief maid was her choice.
Who authorized you to do that, Lucio?
One such authorization.
Yes, you do. They cannot toy with your heart and go scot-free. Look, Steve, are you threatening? No!
Choose peace or war between our people.
Choose peace by apologizing to him. Or war by not laying a finger on him.
Please, you stop the survival bullshit. Survival is not the only reason we started this thing, and you know it.
I hope we will pass it.
Are you doing this? You want to kill me?
Kidnappers, they've got my phone.
Wake me up from this slumber and tell me I'm having a nightmare. Wake me up.
You see me capable of killing a car?
Oh, no, it's not what I'm thinking. What happened? Speak.
You can't understand what I'm battling with. I'm enveloped in a crisis of mind. Oh!
Do you want to have another corpse in your hands today?
God damn it! So
They're coming this way. They're coming like this.
I will see you later. Okay, wait for me. I'm going back to my mother.
No, Papa.
What?
Papa!
Hey, get off me.
But first of all, you find out whether they've come to stay briefly.
Auntie, did you say briefly? You have to stay forever.
Huh? Did you hear that?
Fire!
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 They won't be as dangerous as those devils.
Uncle, we are not dangerous, so we are little angels. No, take it easy, oh. Let body go show.
Huh? Okay. All right.
We young, we oh.
I will hear we.
I will kill these touches.
No.
So long as I life in this village, honey, we're in trouble. Oh.
Igwe and Igwani, one. Okosine Temba, Abune Temba, Igurube, Sikana Baris.
And where do you think you're going?
What do you mean by that?
What sort of stupid answer is that to a question?
I'm answerable only to my husband.
Which husband? A slave that thinks herself royalty? Would you, if no one advises you, can't you for once advise yourself?
Onyinye, I don't have any problems with you. So just back off, okay?
But I have one with you. So if I don't talk, you get into that car to go and see the governor with my husband? As what? As who?
As the third wife. Give it to the king as a gift.
I didn't ask for your opinion. Mind your business.
If you dare insult me, I will slap your rotten teeth out from your mouth.
And if you slap me, I will wipe this floor with you.
Enough! Enough. What is the matter with you? I am the one who decides who does what, not you.
But my husband...
Not a word. Let's go.
I can't go with you.
I am not asking you. I am telling you.
I'm sorry, my husband.
That's the wisest thing this woman has ever done in this house.
You lack respect. Put my bag in the car. Let me go out with my husband.
And if her bag gets into that car before mine, you're all dead.
Now you see, you're happy now, right? You're happy. You will suffer for this.
It's you that will suffer for it. I don't have a problem with you. So respect yourself or else I'll disgrace you in front of this mess.
You will disgrace me. Go ahead. Go ahead and I will show you what I'm made of. You scum.
He married me because you are fidget to satisfy him.
How dare you? How dare you? I will slap you again. I will slap you again.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare. If your hand touches my mother, you will regret the day you came into this house.
Emeka, you lie. You lie.
Mother, what is it?
Blessing slapped me.
What?
So
what? Hey, boy. Take your mother and go back into the house.
Emeka. Boy. Did you just call me boy? Are you on cheap drugs? No, who is your boy?
Jetta, you lack respect.
And you lack common sense. Now, listen to me. An elder who refuses to think will always and forever be treated like a child. Do you understand me?
I refuse to bandy words with you or your mother. You are beneath me. Mom, let's go.
I don't have your time.
You pay for that slap.
I will slap you again. I will
Hey,
slap you again.
Mom, it's okay. It's okay.
I will slap you again.
Mom, what is it? It's okay. It's okay.
Just because I'm beautiful.
Mom, it's alright, okay? Let's just go. And all of you all stood here, watched my mom being manhandled. All of you. See, this conspiracy must end today.
I truly believe that I have done all I can to unite this family. After years of trying to balance the equation between my wives and my children, I have come to the conclusion that I have failed.
Father, sincerely, I don't know where you're headed with this.
Well, I am sick and tired of the warring between my wives and my children, and it must stop now, or else I'll be forced to take drastic actions.
Father, with due respect, I and my mother have no problem with Emeka and his mother. But still, Father, it will be so appreciated if you warn Emeka and his mother to stay away from us. It is only then we will have peace in this home. Again, Father, I say this. I have no problems whatsoever with Mr. Whoever who says he's the first son in this family. But please, let Mr. Whoever learn how to earn that title and not shove it down our throats. That's my own.
Father, it is obvious that I am still seated here out of respect for you. Because if not, I will not sit here. I won't. I know that someone or a group of people are not comfortable with the fact that I am your first son, and subsequently the heir apparent to the throne of Mbuku. They're not comfortable, but who cares? I want this small boy, warn him and his mother to keep away from my mother and I. And his mother should learn to know where her boundaries are.
What boundaries? No, what boundaries? Your mother slapped my mother in the full glare of the servants in front of the
And the next time she insults my mother, it will be worse.
Then try it. Try it so I don't smoke you.
You will smoke me?
Yes?
Father, did you hear the way he insulted me in your presence?
So now you remember that I am here seated. Have you finished insulting one another? I thought you'd be more reasonable than your mothers.
Reasonable. It's like mother, like sons.
You're very stupid. Just shut your stupid mouth.
I did not ask anybody to invite me to this meeting.
Then get out. The door is open now. Bounce.
With all pleasure. I will go. I have more important things to do than to sit down here and listen to two of you bickering like old housewives. Wives, I don't know. Father, excuse me.
Father, I'm sorry about that. That boy really gets on my nerves. Can we continue?
Continue with what?
What will... I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too. You may leave.
You see what you've caused. What do you mean? Meet me outside.
I'm coming outside. I'm coming. Sorry, Father.
It's happening again. And like always, it ends in pain.
Ichie, Akuluno, could you repeat what you have just said?
Igwe, may you live long. Igwe, what I said was that Considering the fact that you have approached the 19th year of your reign as Igwe of Mbauku, we can't wait for you to declare Prince Emeka the crown prince of the land.
Igwe, elders of Mbukwa greet you all. I must say that it is auspicious that Hakolo brought up this matter. And there's no gainsaying the fact that Prince Emeka is more than capable of taking care of things. Igwe.
You have all spoken well. Yeah, but I might not have a problem being reminded that I'm in my 19th year of reign. But it is not in your stead to tell me who to declare as crown prince.
Igwe, I'm only concerned that if this delay lingers more than necessary, your family may lose the throne. And the Prince Emeka, as we know...
Don't tell me. Don't tell me who to declare as the crown prince. It is my singular prerogative. Look, there is a chain of command and I expect us to respect that.
Don't get me wrong, please. It is not as if we are trying to force you to make a Prince Emeka the...
That is exactly what you were trying to do with Ophelia. Is there anyone else who thinks that I'm not aware that this is my 19th year and that because Ophelia and Akoluna think that I should give the crown to Emeka, I must recourse to it immediately.
Igwe, like Akoluna rightly pointed out.
Don't interrupt me, Ichiofili. I am aware of the consequences of not choosing one of my own as the crown prince. And you are all aware as well that I have 3 sons. And any of them can become the crown prince tomorrow. I have spoken.
We handled everything very well. But what got him very angry is what I still don't understand.
You should have been diplomatic about it.
Who is not aware of your husband's hot temper? We are talking about your husband's first son for Christ's sake. Eh? And who wouldn't want his first son to succeed him?
Should we run away because he's the first retired soldier to the crown king?
Just imagine.
Ichiakolono, I have waited for my son to be named the crown prince all these years. All to no avail. This is the 19th year of his reign. I don't know if he wants another family to come and take over the throne of Mbauku.
Unfortunately, that's what is going to happen if he doesn't do what he should do.
God forbid.
Maybe we should give him a little more time.
That time is what I don't have right now. You know as well as I do that you make hay while the sun shines. You were there. You were there when he said any of his 3 sons could be declared the crown prince. Do you know what happens to everything the royal family has if anything happens to the king?
Anybody declared crown prince takes over everything and may give out according to his benevolence.
I am his first wife. I gave him the first son who is heir to his throne. My son will not depend on anybody's goodwill. He should be the one to give.
You are right, Your Majesty. You are quite right.
Ichiakuluno, My son must be declared the crown prince as soon as possible and at all costs.
Arụ anyị ọlụ onye ọzọ esigbo anyị. Arụ anyị ọlụ onye ọzọ esigbo n'anyị.
Drunk as usual.
I'm not drunk. I only had a couple of drinks. As you can see, I'm fine. Do you want to drink?
If tears could have helped you and your brother, I would have cried an ocean. I would have shed all the tears, sweat, and blood in my system just to make sure you grow up to be responsible children that I can be proud of.
Are you saying you're not proud of me? Is that what you say? Oh, you didn't just say that.
Each day, I go through the pains of watching you and your brother live like animals. What have I not done to make sure you grow up to be responsible? What have I done to deserve this? Ifunanya, have I not been a good mother?
You've been a good mother. Everybody knows that. So stop nagging. You want to spoil everything now? Stop nagging, Mom. I need you to be that good mother you've always been. And get me something to eat. Get me something to eat. It's good for you, it's good.
That throne naturally belongs to you. I will not sit down, fold my hands, and watch your father hand it over to somebody else. Never.
I have managed Royal Ventures like a family business and also like my personal business. I have single-handedly nurtured that company into becoming a model company. And I will not sit back and watch father just hand it out to anybody he ends up choosing as the crown prince. I will not work in vain. I won't.
I am happy. I am happy you understand the importance of being decisive about this issue. I have faced battles in this family ever since your father stupidly decided to embrace polygamy. And I am prepared to face more. I am prepared.
And we will fight the battle together. I am proud to have you as my mother. The battle line is drawn. And the time to strike is now!
Thank you for not making a scene out of all this.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I will reward you handsomely.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Get someone else to help you get him out of the car.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Mother, did I startle you? I really have to go and change since you didn't like the first one. I just got this one. Tell me, how do I look? Talk to me, Mom.
How much did you buy this dress?
65,000 naira only. I bought 4 of them. I know you will love it. One of them is big. I think I'm going to give that one to you, my beautiful mother.
You bought a dress for 65,000 naira?
Mom, that's even cheap. That's this dude I normally patronize. That's why I was able to talk him into selling them that cheap to me.
Why are you wasting money? Does it mean that you no longer know what to do with money?
Mother, good clothes cost good money.
See you later when I get back. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Bye.
No, sit down. No, let me fast. And Karen. Where you're going might not really be my business, but how you live your life is definitely my business. Do you know why? I will tell you why. This family will do well if only you could cut down on your excesses when it comes down to all this stupid vain clothes you're always buying.
With due respect, I am a lady. Not just any lady, but a princess. So I am supposed to look good. Moreover, you have never given me money for anything in this house. I have never asked you for money for anything. So whatever I spend on clothes should not be your business. Excuse me.
Hey. Little sister, you know the problem you all have in this house is that you lack respect. If I were you, I would watch how I speak to me. Should I give you a reason? 1, I am your older brother. And 2, most importantly, whether you people like it or not, I am the next king of Mbugu. So if I were you, I would tread very carefully.
Are you threatening me?
No. Why would I? I am only making a statement of fact. And if I were you right now, I would be really scared.
Okay. We shall see.
Mother! Somebody should talk to Emeka unless I bring out this roof today in this house. Tell him to leave me alone in this house. Tell him. Why must you always make me jump out of my skin all the time? I'm sorry, Mother. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you jump out of your skin, but please beg Emeka for me. Tell him to spare me. Let him mind his business and not always get on my necks. Tell him. Beg him.
Hey, what's going on? Why are you yelling?
Cheta, honestly, I don't know what is wrong between your sister and Emeka in this house. Cheta, warn Emeka for me. Tell him to leave me alone.
No, Emeka. I mean, Emeka. Mom, Emeka again. Emeka. How many times have I told him to leave my sister alone? How many times? I've told him to stop picking on her. What is it now? What's wrong with Emeka?
Cheta, don't get yourself worked up over this.
What are you talking about?
Mother, I just told you how I was insulted by Emeka out there. And you're here telling Cheta not to get worked up about it, right?
Yes, because he has to stay focused for the task ahead. The victory right now will be for him to strike where it matters most. Cheta, we need to strategize based on what your father said. That's the most important thing at the moment. Okay?
Emeka.
Cheta.
Emeka. Okay. Mom, I've heard you. But what if father says he made a mistake? I mean, he made that statement out of anger. He never meant it.
Your father is a king. Whatever pronouncement he makes sitting on that throne is a royal decree. He can't go back on that.
I'm lost. Can you people tell me what is going on here?
Okay. How would you feel if Cheta, your brother, becomes the crown prince? And subsequently, the king of Mbuku kingdom.
Her Majesty.
What is wrong?
Everything is fine, sir.
Everything is fine. And you are crying. Look, when are you going to stop crying because of those two idiots?
Your Majesty, they're still my children.
I know they are still your children. But if destiny says they should live lousy lives, then why don't you stop punishing yourself and get on with your own life? It's enough. It's enough. You will kill yourself over these children. They have their own lives. You have yours.
I am not in my elements right now, okay? Let's talk later. What is wrong with you? I am having a bad day and it does not in any way mean that I have a girl here. And if I were having a girl, what business of yours is it? Kid, shut up, shut up. You have business with me when you are with me. I gave you good time yesterday, so back off and let me be. Really? Oh, you're right, you're right. I have this beautiful young girl right here and she's doing some, she's doing some bad things to me now. We talk later, okay?
It's happening again.
Your Majesty, this issue of declaring a crown prince is one that is capable of tearing a royal family apart. There has never been peace in any family where succession is a problem.
Zekwesili, how much peace have I enjoyed in this family? Not from the competition amongst my wives. Ken, Ifunaya.
And who is to blame, Your Majesty?
Certainly not me. But the fight for supremacy amongst my wives, and as for my incalcitrant children, you know, there are times when I wonder if I'm their father.
Igwe, that is a harsh thing to say. The cub of a lion can never be claimed by the antelope.
I have been through a lot. And what I want to do is to use this opportunity to prove to them that I am the supreme authority as far as this family is concerned.
Your Majesty, just name who you want to be the crown prince so that peace can reign.
I have declared, it is a royal declaration, that all my sons are eligible for that position. And I don't need anybody to tell me who I should choose as my crown prince. If they have any superiority, let them come and show it right now.
Igwe, do you think you have taken the right decision?
Inze, you have known me all our lives. And you know that one thing I cannot stand is for anyone to push me around like a child. And my first wife should have known that. Or I should say, she should know that. And why is she using Akolono?
Anibani. Wayo. Jiri ya wayo. I hope you know what you are doing.
The only reason the Igwe decided to throw the position of the crown prince open is because he has decided not to give it to Emeka, my son, who happens to be his first son.
But that doesn't ultimately remove the position from the reach of your son.
I don't care what the king wants to do anymore. I don't care. I want you to get me as many elders as possible in that council. I am ready to buy them over if that is what it will cost me.
Your Majesty, I think it will cost a lot of money to convince all the council members to face your husband squarely.
Does it look like I care how much it's going to cost me? I want my son on that throne.
I dare say there's not much we can do. Now he has declared the position open to his other sons.
Oh, Akolono. Don't tell me you're blind to the fact that money answereth all things.
Arụ anyị ụlọ onye ọzọ esigbuo m. Arụ anyị ụlọ onye ọzọ esigbuo m.
Cheta, I've been thinking about this whole thing. The earlier we start this war, the better for us. If we must win this war.
Mom, what do you want to do?
I think we should align with the kingmakers for us to win this war.
Why do you keep calling it war?
If it is not a war, what is it?
Well, I don't know yet. Yes, who's it?
It's all from Your Highness. I greet you, Your Highness. May you live long, Your Majesty. His Majesty the King wants the presence of all of you at the throne room.
Why does he want to see us?
I really don't know, but he wants to see everybody.
Okay. Tell him we'll be there right away.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Mom, is anything the matter?
I have started mobilizing the elders to mount pressure on your father to declare you the crown prince. But the only thing we need to ensure their total support is money.
Good. How much are we looking at?
I can't really say, but just provide more than enough.
Okay, no problem. Mother, we will crush them. I know that Jeta will try, but this is the time for me to show him that this game is not for small boys. Ken is a nobody.
Oh, don't underrate the power of a desperate woman. I saw Ken's mother earlier, with her hands all over your father, as if she's the only wife. She looked at me in the eye and hugged him the more. She was mocking me. Never mind. We shall see.
Mother.
Yes, dear.
We will destroy them. We will destroy them one by one by one.
Agunwa.
I will not shy away from my responsibilities as the head of this family. From time to time, as the need arises, I shall call us together just like this to let you know what is on my mind. Earlier on today, if Naya descended so low as to engage a royal maid in a fight. Oh yes, in a fight. And I know her. She does not have any value on her life. But let me warn you that any repeat of that show of shame will earn you such disciplinary action, the like of which you have never seen before, the like of which you can never imagine. In less than 2 months, I shall be 19 years on the throne of my fathers. But if by then I have not declared my crown prince, then the throne will go to another family. Well. But to make sure it doesn't happen, I want to officially make it known that I have the sole responsibility of declaring the crown prince. And I wish to make a declaration that any of my 3 sons has a chance of being declared the crown prince of Mbuku. I have spoken, and so shall it be. Ujunwa, what is it?
The pains of a mother who watches helplessly as her children exhibit through their behavior to the whole world that I have failed in my duty as a mother brings me once again to your presence.
Well, my dear, all I can make out of what you have just told me is that I have also failed in my duty as a father.
No, my Majesty. You have not failed in your duty as a father. I will never ascribe that to you. Please, do not see it in that light. I am here to plead on my children's behalf. I want you to forgive Ifunanya for her misbehavior. And I don't want you to cancel Ken as a candidate for the crown prince position.
All my children have their shortcomings. But Ken and Ifunanya have given me enough headaches to last me 1,000 lifetimes. I am not afraid of death. But I don't want to die from their waywardness and the embarrassment they brought me.
Your Highness, you will not die in a long while.
I will not need any persuasion to banish them out of my life for good.
Your Highness, please, I beg of you.
Please, I need some rest. I'll be tired. I want to have some rest.
Why are you sneaking in and out of the king's bedroom this night?
That king happens to be my husband too. And there is no law that says I cannot see him anytime I want to.
You didn't go to see him. You sneaked into his bedroom. And you know it's not your turn to sleep with him tonight. You went to lobby so that he can make your son the crown prince.
And what is wrong with that?
You already know the answer. If only you tell yourself the truth. Yes, go ahead. Say something. Say something. Go ahead. Go. Achalanyai. I want to see my husband. And you, what are you doing there? Get out! Not Wally, not merely.
What are you still doing here?
Waiting for the money.
I've told you I don't have money.
Cheta, it is not fair now. You know I need this money to buy some
clothes. You want to buy clothes, isn't it? What is wrong with you? No, seriously, what is wrong with you? I know you have more clothes than all the boutiques put together in this town. So the reason you want more clothes is something I cannot understand. Instead of facing your studies, you're here asking me to give you money for clothes. Okay, here's my answer to you. You go, sell your old clothes and buy new ones.
Is it my fault that Ashley is on strike?
Well, it's not my fault that I don't have more money to give you. Okay? I don't have money to give you for clothes.
This is not fair. It's not fair.
Yes, Mom.
How far have you gone with the list?
Well, I've made a comprehensive list of people I believe would be working with Emeka and those we should work with. For example, Akuruno, Ofili, and others I believe we have to work with.
That's good. See, I think you should work with those you think are for us, okay? While I work on those you think are behind Emeka and the mother.
Hello, Cheta. I told you I need money to buy stuff. Why are you not saying anything? You're changing the whole topic to another thing.
Cheche, please.
You see that door? When you leave, lock it.
You still come back and meet me. I'm not going anywhere.
You are the man. You are the man, and that's what's up.
That's right, boy. I'm the man, and you are also the man. Where you heading?
Oh, well, I was just sitting out there, thinking about going to check out some real good stuff somewhere. And if you want to spice up your life a little, you come with me.
That's the good life, boy. And I'm still not too old for that kind of groove. But then, I need to take care of business and also see the king.
That's great. The king is at the palace, and I like you a lot, Chima. You know why? Because you are one of the few good men around my father. Continue to tell him the truth as it is and at all times.
I will always tell him the truth, just like I always tell you. No darling.
Yeah.
Keep stepping.
That's right.
And if you must do, use protection.
Oh my God! Yeah. What? You are something else.
My prince, like I always tell you, stay out of trouble and things that will make your father feel disappointed. You are still the prince, and people do look up to you.
I agree with you. I'm happy you also agree with me that life is too short to live it badly. So we keep grooving, we keep stepping, we keep catching out the phone.
That's my boy.
That's right.
Go.
Woman, why did you wait this long to start looking for what is wrong with your son or your children?
My children? There's nothing wrong with my children. The only problem is being a notch too high in exhibiting their youthful exuberance. All I want from you is to help me pray that my son excels in his endeavors.
Someone in your family is responsible for your son's transgressions.
Is that not what they always say? There's always someone in the family who is responsible for the next person's problems.
Woman, you may not understand. A woman in your family casts a spell upon your children, thereby making them useless.
Thanks for the information. I can see that I'm destined to live and die a sad mother.
Destiny. You can only make it your destiny if there's no remedy.
Remedy? Is there hope? Please, what is the remedy?
Sacrifice. Sacrifice. It's either you sacrifice any of your children or you sacrifice yourself. That is the only remedy.
Sacrifice? What do you mean by sacrifice? Can you please explain?
Someone has to die for others to live.
Pardon, Your Majesty. I don't think there's anything wrong in a mother fighting for the good of her son.
Thank you, Ichie Akulueno.
I thank you for letting me know what I stand to gain if I push for the interest of her son. But at the same time, I want you to know that to achieve your desire, a war has to be waged against the king, your husband. Do you understand the implications?
I'm also very aware that you got him so angry by asking him to pick Emeka as the crown prince. Your action is what made him throw the position open for all his sons. So I will advise that you drop Emeka and back up my son.
You are a brilliant woman. Well, thank you for the offer, but I don't think it's weighty enough to bring me to your fold.
What do you want? Name your price.
I want your daughter.
You want my daughter? For what?
You see, before you came, my mind was made up already on a particular course of action. But now you've come with this interest. The young blood of your daughter is capable of repositioning that course of action.
What?
Arụ anyụọla onye ọzọ esigbuo m. Arụ anyụọla onye ọzọ esigbuo m.
It's happening again, and like always, it ends in pain. The struggle for power and position is causing so much commotion. Oh, always powered by greed and selfish needs, and so much deceit that brings so much grief. It's a shame. Ooh, what's the gain? It's a shame. It will end up in pain. Oh, it's a shame. It will end up in pain. Adela Hozo. Adela Hozo.